it's me, Miss Foot Fixer. As you can see, I am ready to do some awesome nail stuff. So we have this lovely lady. Let's pan onto this lovely foot. Ta-da! Excellent. We have this lovely lady with, you can see a little boo-boo here. So if you look at this toe and that toe, they're completely different. And what has happened is 4 or 5 years ago, just laughing because this is a funny story. He went dancing in Spain and met this really good-looking guy, and they were salsa dancing all night long. And obviously he stepped on her foot, and this is what happened to the nail itself. And so you can see it's really, really deformed. It's a lot different. It's a lot smaller and it's a lot more thicker. And you look at the toe itself. It's cool, isn't it? Look at this. This is what we call Mr. Bowhead. So what we're going to do is we're going to file the top of this brown bit, which is nail polish, off. Have a look at the nail plate itself. And then what we're going to do is cut the nail to test if there's any fungal infection and clean it out really, really nicely. Now she has had some spore knots which hasn't worked, so I think this might be more damage than anything else. Now let's start. Let's move this foot across to the side. It's excellent, fantastic. So I'm just going to file it down a little bit. Let's clean off the brow. Ready, Stephanie?
Yep.
Yes. Oh, looks like it's down. So the nail is really, really clear even after the nail polish, which is good. So what I do now is really just cut the nail. So I'm just going to cut this. So I can get some. We'll just make that feel a little bit more greasy, thank you. Just put that in my magical bag. Goodie bag. We've got some nail bed damage, hence why the nail is not attaching. Sorry, just bear with me, please. Well done. Doing very well. It's always a little bit uncomfortable to cut. Whoops, she's running away. Damaged nails, especially because it's been damaged for so long. Okay, well done, you're doing very well. Sorry. Leaving. Well done. Lots of sock in here. Okay. We've got a party in here. I'm just gonna take everyone out. You know, have an outdoor party. Okay, I might need to change the angle of the camera in a minute for that. Let me just cut from this. So you're doing very well. Sorry, I'm just looking to maneuver. Okay, Stephanie?
Yep.
With the bag. Well done, sorry. If we want a good sample, we need to go deep. Well done. What is that clicking noise?
No idea.
Who's really heavy here? Does it hurt or anything? Not the procedure right now, but does it generally hurt? No. Just bear with me. Well done. Well done. Okay, just going to file the nails now, and then what I'm going to do is probably use a metal jewel piece to clean it out. Okay, extend all the way out for me, please. Thank you. Thank you. And let's leave that there so it doesn't get wet. Excellent.
Husband, can you get me a muscle juicy, please? Stephanie, in a minute, can you get me a scoopy blade, please?
Small one?
Yeah, what? Let's say 2. I think 2 would be better. One would be better. Sorry, that's your nail bed. That's why it's so uncomfortable. Well done. Well done. Okay, let's grab the... Ready? Some blackness in here. You're doing very well. Just so that I can do a really good job, okay? There's some hair in here or something trapped in. Do you own a pet? Or you do haircut? Maybe shave your toe hair? Ingrown. Okay. Let me get some balls. Just to clean it up. Okay, this is probably the best you're gonna get in terms of me cleaning this nail up. Like that. Okay, happy? Excellent. So that's done. Nice and clean nails. So we got some before and after. Just a little 9 minute there. We're gonna put some antiseptic on it. And then we'll prescribe some topical antifungal medication as to prevent infection. They should be fine. Okay, well done.